Hello, cozy English learners. We have our cozy friend here. She starts her morning with us. She starts her morning with us. Her blanket is warm. Her blanket is warm. Her eyes are closed. Her eyes are closed. She opens her eyes. She opens her eyes. She sits on the edge of the bed. She sits on the edge of the bed. Her shoulders feel heavy. Her shoulders feel heavy. She stands up slowly. She stands up slowly. She walks to the bathroom. She walks to the bathroom. Step by step, step by step. The mirror shows her face. The mirror shows her face. Her face looks tired. Her face looks tired. She sees herself. She sees herself. She splashes her face. She splashes her face. Her face feels fresh. Her face feels fresh. She walks to the kitchen. She walks to the kitchen. The kitchen feels quiet. The kitchen feels quiet. Good morning, friends. Good morning, friends. She opens the cabinet. She opens the cabinet. She finds her coffee. She finds her coffee. The coffee machine is on. The coffee machine is on. Hot steam comes up. Hot steam comes up. Coffee is inside. Coffee is inside. The mug is warm in her hands. The mug is warm in her hands. She feels happy. She feels happy. She smiles big now. She smiles big now. She sips coffee slow. She sips coffee slow. The coffee smells good. The coffee smells good. She waves to you. She waves to you. Her hand moves soft. Her hand moves soft. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.